Most people live with small problems every day, like neck pain, messy wires, and poor sleep, and never realize these can be fixed with simple, smart inventions. Today, we're exploring 15 genius products designed to quietly remove daily pain, stress, and frustration from your life. These aren't futuristic dreams, they're real products that are already changing lives. And wait till you see the last one. A 10 gadget that protects your health every single day. This isn't just a list, it's a solution to the things you thought you had to live with forever. So sit back because one of these might just change your life. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Build2 brand, where we bring you new life-changing products every single week to make your routine smarter, easier, and more comfortable. First up is the posture correcting shirt, a piece of clothing that looks simple but hides genius design inside. Most people don't even realize their back pain, shoulder stiffness, and fatigue come from poor posture. This shirt silently fixes that. It uses special fabric tension to pull your shoulders gently back, keeping your spine aligned without you thinking about it. You don't need bulky braces or uncomfortable straps, just wear it like a normal shirt. It's breathable, stretchable, and discreet enough to wear under your clothes. Whether you're at a desk job, gaming, or just relaxing at home, this shirt improves posture naturally. Over time, your body remembers the correct position and starts doing it automatically. You'll feel less tension in your neck, and your confidence will improve too. Better posture affects everything, even your mood. It's especially helpful for students, remote workers, or anyone spending hours in front of a screen. And the best part? No batteries, no wires, just smart design that supports your spine without effort. Next, we have the Anti-Snore Smart Pillow, a lifesaver for both you and your partner. This isn't just any pillow, it listens to your breathing while you sleep. When it hears snoring, it gently shifts your head's angle using soft inflation pockets. That small movement opens your airways and stops the snoring without waking you. It's non-invasive, unlike snore strips or sleep masks, and works automatically through the night. Thousands of people report deeper, uninterrupted sleep after just a few nights of using it. Your partner won't have to nudge you awake anymore, and you'll both sleep peacefully. The smart pillow charges easily and lasts for days on one full charge. It also supports your neck in a way that feels natural and cloud-like. People who snore lightly or sleep on their back see the biggest results. For many, this little pillow is the key to waking up refreshed instead of groggy. If you've been ignoring your snoring, it might be time to let your pillow do the fixing. Now, let's talk about the self-cleaning water bottle, a must-have for clean living. We all know how gross water bottles get after a few days. Mold builds up, smells form, and nobody wants to drink from something that feels dirty. But this bottle cleans itself using UVC light that kills 99.9% of germs with a press of a button. In just under a minute, your bottle is fresh and safe again. It's perfect for gyms, travel, or people who forget to clean their bottles daily. The lid even glows to let you know it's working. Built with stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, it keeps drinks cold or hot for hours. And it's stylish enough to carry anywhere from hiking trails to office desks. You'll save time, avoid sickness, and never taste that musty smell again. It's especially useful in hot climates or for people who reuse bottles daily. One small gadget that ensures you drink safe water wherever you go. Next up is the under-desk foot hammock, a comfort upgrade you didn't know you needed. Sitting for long hours affects your blood flow and posture, often causing stiffness, pain, or even swelling in your legs. This little hammock solves that silently. It straps under any desk and gently cradles your feet, letting you swing or stretch them during work. It's soft, adjustable, and supports different positions high when sitting upright or low when reclining. You'll immediately feel relief as your legs stay relaxed and elevated. It's especially helpful during work-from-home setups where comfort is often forgotten. Plus, it improves focus, reduces tension, and even makes your work zone feel more personalized. Installation takes less than a minute, and when not in use, you can roll it up and stash it away. Whether you're typing, gaming, or in meetings all day, this one hammock makes a huge difference. It's comfort that works silently right beneath your desk. Now let's look at the portable neck and shoulder massager, your personal massage therapist in a pillow. Designed like a U-shaped cushion, this massager fits perfectly around your neck and shoulders. But inside are rotating massage nodes that dig deep into sore muscles, releasing tension in minutes. Add the optional heat feature, and it feels just like real hands working out your stress. Whether you're stuck at a desk, traveling, or just had a long day, this device brings instant relief. It runs quietly, has adjustable settings, and can be used on your back, thighs, or calves too. Unlike massage chairs, it's affordable, compact, and easy to carry. Many users say they feel recharged after just one 15-minute session. It's perfect for those who suffer from migraines, tight shoulders, or general fatigue. Plus, it's cordless and rechargeable, no hassle with wires. You don't need to book expensive sessions anymore. Just press a button and let it melt your stress away. Up next is the magnetic cable organizer, a clean freak's dream. If your desk or bedside table is tangled with charger wires, this sleek gadget will change everything. It comes with magnetic clips that snap onto your charging cables, holding them neatly in place on a magnetic strip. No more crawling under furniture to find your fallen charger. No more twisted cables or wasted time. Just snap and go. The strip sticks easily to any surface wood, plastic, even metal, and the magnets are strong enough to hold thick cords like HDMI or power cables too. You can use it on your desk, in your car, or even on the wall. It keeps everything in place, looking neat, and always within reach. Perfect for creators, students, or anyone tired of cable mess. It's one of those products that instantly makes your life feel more organized. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now we have the temperature control smart mug luxury for your daily coffee or tea. We've all made a hot drink, got distracted, and came back to something cold and bitter. This mug fixes that by keeping your drink at the perfect temperature for hours. Just set your preferred heat level using the smart base, and the mug does the rest. It's perfect for slow sippers who like to enjoy their drink throughout the day. Writers, remote workers, and anyone in meetings will love this. It's safe, sleek, and comes in modern designs that blend with any desk setup. The battery lasts long enough for an entire workday. And cleanup? Super easy, just rinse it like any other mug. This smart cup isn't just convenient, it's comforting. No more microwave reheats, no more cold coffee regrets, just pure sipping satisfaction from start to finish. Now let's light things up with the Toilet Night Light, funny, but seriously useful. It's a motion-activated LED light that clips onto the rim of your toilet bowl. When you walk into the bathroom at night, it lights up in a soft glow so you don't have to turn on those harsh overhead lights. It even changes colors, which kids love. It makes late-night trips safer, especially for elderly family members. And yes, it actually helps aim better, no more messes in the dark. It runs on batteries and lasts for weeks before needing a change. Installation takes seconds, no tools, no hassle. You'll be surprised how much more comfortable and peaceful your night feels. It's one of those things that sounds silly until you try it. And then, you'll never want to go back. Next is the shoe deodorizer. Dryer a must for athletes, parents, or rainy day survivors. Wet shoes aren't just uncomfortable, they smell. This gadget slides into your shoes and uses warm air and ozone technology to dry them from the inside out while killing odor-causing bacteria. It works on sneakers, boots, or even gloves. Say goodbye to the musty smell that comes from trapped moisture. It's especially useful in winter, after gym sessions, or for people who sweat a lot. You just plug it in, leave it for a couple of hours, and your shoes are fresh and dry again. No damage, no noise, and no stink. Some models even let you set timers for overnight use. It's a hygiene game changer and way better than stuffing your shoes with newspaper. Clean, dry footwear equals happy feet. Now here's the reversible power strip built for modern charging chaos. Most power strips are a waste because thick plugs block other outlets. This one flips and rotates its sockets, so you can use every port, no matter the size of your chargers. It's compact, safe, and built with overload protection. You can even mount it on a wall or under your desk. It's perfect for creators, offices, and gaming setups where power demands get messy fast. With USB ports included, You won't need a separate adapter either. It turns a cluttered, overloaded corner into a smooth charging station. You'll finally stop fighting with cables and start enjoying a streamlined setup. This one may be small, but it's incredibly smart, and once you try it, you'll want one in every room. Next, we have the Smart Cutting Board, a chef's secret weapon. This isn't just a surface to chop on, it includes a built-in digital scale, timer, and even a knife sharpener all in one. Some versions have compartments to separate veggies and meat while you prep. It's perfect for portion control, meal planning, or anyone on a fitness journey. The materials are antibacterial and easy to wash. Whether you're a beginner or a home cook who loves order, this board makes kitchen work faster and smarter. You can measure your food as you prep, time your tasks, and always have a sharp knife ready. It saves counter space and reduces the number of tools you need. Smart, compact, and surprisingly affordable, this board takes kitchen organization to the next level. Now let's bring in the wrist support mousepad, a true desk companion. If you work long hours on a computer, wrist pain might already be creeping in. This mousepad has a soft gel cushion that keeps your wrist at the correct angle while you scroll and click. It prevents strain, reduces pressure on nerves, and lowers your risk of carpal tunnel syndrome. It's incredibly helpful for editors, gamers, designers, and anyone who uses a mouse daily. The bottom has anti-slip material so it stays in place. It's small, lightweight, and super affordable. You'll feel the difference in just a few days of using it. Less fatigue, smoother movement, and better long-term hand health. A tiny product with massive benefits for your wrist and comfort. Let's relax with the cordless electric scalp massager, surprisingly effective and addictively soothing. It fits in your palm and has 4 rotating silicone claws that mimic fingers massaging your scalp. It helps boost circulation, reduce stress, and may even encourage hair growth. With gentle pressure, it melts away tension you didn't even know you were holding in your head. Many people use it while watching TV, before bed, or during bath time. It's also waterproof, so yes, you can use it in the shower. There are multiple speed modes for a customized massage. Rechargeable, lightweight, and portable, it's ideal for both men and women. Whether you're stressed, tired, or just want to feel amazing, this tool never disappoints. It's like a spa in the palm of your hand. Now we have the Pill Organizer Water Bottle, the ultimate convenience for people on the go. This bottle combines 2 daily essentials, hydration and medication. It has a 7-day pill organizer attached to the side that slides out like a drawer. No need to carry separate boxes or worry about forgetting your doses. It's perfect for travelers, students, or seniors who want to stay organized. The bottle holds enough water to swallow your pills easily and fits in most bags or car cup holders. BPA-free, durable, and designed with health in mind. It also helps form better habits by keeping medicine visible and easy to access. You'll find it useful not just for vitamins, but for any routine medicine. One tool that keeps you hydrated and on schedule, smart and simple. And finally, the no-touch door opener tool, a tiny tool for a big purpose. In a world where hygiene matters more than ever, this keychain-sized device helps you open doors, press buttons, and use touchscreens without actually touching them. Made from antimicrobial metal, it's lightweight and clips easily to your keys or belt. You can use it on ATMs, elevators, doors, or even shared pens and checkout screens. It reduces your contact with bacteria-covered surfaces, giving you peace of mind in public spaces. It's perfect for travel, grocery runs, or anyone concerned about health and hygiene. Small, silent, and always ready to act, it's like your pocket-sized protector. In today's world, this is less of a luxury and more of a must-have. So which of these genius products surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear which one solves a problem in your life. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Dog Room because we bring you powerful problem-solving products every single week. If you enjoyed this, check out our next video, 12 products designed to solve pain you didn't know was optional. It's packed with tools that relieve stress, tension, and body aches in minutes. See you there!